Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed the holiday shortened session. All four major averages closed the day higher, led by tech heavyweight NASDAQ, which was up 1.4%. The S&P 500 is up 1.1%, while the Dow closed up just less than 1%, and the small cap Russell 2000 closed up 1% as well. All 11 S&P 500 sectors closed higher on the day. Consumer discretionary was the biggest gainer, up 2.5%. That was followed by financials and communication services. Let's now take a look at some stocks on the move. Holiday travel got off to a rough start Tuesday morning after American Airlines had to temporarily ground U.S. flights because of a technical glitch. The ground stop was lifted by 7:55 a.m. Eastern Time, and the airline did not have any cancellations tied to the issue. The airline said the issue stemmed from a platform provided by a vendor. Shares reversed early losses and closed up 0.6% on the day. A group of big banks and business groups are suing the Federal Reserve over the annual bank stress test. The suit is from the Bank Policy Institute, which represents banks such as J.P. Morgan, Citi, and Goldman Sachs. The suit says the current stress test process falls short of its goals and comes after the Fed said it's looking to make changes to the bank stress test. Shares of Netflix closed higher on the day ahead of its big NFL debut. The streaming giant will stream 2 NFL games on Christmas Day as it expands more into live sports. An analyst over at KeyBank raised its price target on shares to $1,000 from $785 and kept an overweight rating on shares. KeyBank said it sees several reasons to believe the stock can outperform the S&P 500 into 2025, which includes live events driving more engagement. Netflix is up more than 90% this year versus 26% for the S&P 500. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.